Hello students, today we will discuss the formula flub-ups. Under certain circumstances, even the best formula can appear to have freaked out after you get them into your worksheet. You can tell right away that the formula is gone haywire because instead of the nice calculated value, you expected some of the strange signs. That is like you see hash, the question mark, the exclamation point. These all signs, they show the error in your formula. It is preventing Excel from returning the anticipated calculated value. Some of the error values are there, which we will discuss. Number one is hash div/0. This error shows when the formula calls for the division by a cell that either contain the value 0 or it is more often the case when it is empty and you are going to divide it by 0. Then this error will come in the worksheet. Another error is hash name question mark. This error comes when the formula refers to a range name that does not exist in the worksheet. This error value appears when you type the wrong range name or fail to enclose in quotation marks some text used in the formula. Next error you get is hash null. This error you get when you insert a space to separate cell references used as arguments for functions. We will learn them with example in the next chapters. We are just defining it right now. Hash num. It appears when Excel encounters a problem with the number in the formula, such as the wrong type of argument going to Excel function, then this error will come. Hash ref. It is the error when Excel encounters an invalid cell reference, such as when you delete a cell referred in a formula or paste cells over the cells, then this error will occur. The last error is hash value. This error appears when you use the wrong type of argument or operator in a function. And when you call any mathematical operation like plus, minus, division, whatever, it refers to cells that contain the text entries. Now, if you have a data in the large quantity and you have mistaken a single mistake a lot of times, then there is a procedure in Excel 2016 that is called as the autocorrect feature. The autocorrect feature is a godsend for those of us who tend to make the same stupid mistakes over and over. With autocorrect, you can alert Excel 2016 to your own particular typing gaps and tell the program how it should automatically fix them for you. When you first install Excel, the autocorrect feature already knows to automatically correct 2 initial capital letters in an entry. Whenever you type anything into a cell, any text into a cell, then it will automatically correct them by using the first alphabet by the capital. It is the by default action of a autocorrect feature. To add some of the errors in the autocorrect, you can add them by using File, Options. There is a option Proofing. There is autocorrect options there. Change how Excel corrects and format text as you type. You click on autocorrect options. Now you get this. You can see correct two initial capitals, capitalize first letter of sentences. You have so many options here and you have marked all them. There is another one. Now if you want to add anything in this, like if you add telecomma with the capital letters, you just press add and OK here. Again press OK. And you start writing telecomma in small letters. Press enter. And it will automatically convert it to the capital letters. To remove it, you go to Options, Proofing, Autocorrect options. This was the feature. You just delete from here, press OK, OK. Now when you write telecomma here and press enter, it will not be converted to capital letters. So it is a feature of autocorrect. In the same way, if you have mistaken for any mathematically operator, then you can change it from autocorrect feature for the full sheet of your worksheet. Now the other one is the cell editing feature. If you catch the mistake before you complete an entry, you can delete it by pressing your backspace. If you don't discover the mistake until after you have completed the cell entry, you have a choice to replacing the whole text. Whenever you change or replace your cell entry, you can see the mode is ready. Whenever you're going to type something, then it is mode is enter. You click just enter and it again goes to ready mode. Now our next topic to be discussed is keystrokes for fixing the cell entry flub-ups. We have a delete key, we have a backspace key, we have a left arrow key, which will delete your entry from the left, very left. We have the upper arrow entry, home, control plus right arrow, control plus left arrow, and the insert. These all are the keystrokes for fixing the cell entry flub-ups. The autocomplete feature in Excel 2016 is not something you can do anything about. It is just something to be aware of while you enter your data. In an attempt to cut down or typing load, our friendly software engineers at Microsoft came up with autocomplete feature. So it was all to correct your data entries in the Excel sheet. Autocomplete feature is what? When you're going to write something here, and it will auto-complete your entry. This will known as the auto-complete feature. Like you are repeating these letters again. It is telecomma here and you are repeating this here. This feature of Excel 2016 is auto-complete feature. We will do it in detail in the next lecture.